Never thought I'd be alone, but it doesn't feel so bad yet. Wasn't in it, it wasn't right.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another day of Youtuber. For today's video, I'm doing a morning routine, vlog style with you guys to top the fact that I've already done the night routine and it's a mandatory in the series. Come here. You wanna lay in my sweater while I do this intro? As you can probably tell, I have already started my morning, but you guys haven't seen it yet, so I think we should probably just start there.
We're living it, we living it. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping. Telling you we're over, but what was I doing? Those words that I said to you then, can't get them out of my head. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping, I keep on looping, I keep on looping.
Try and drink one full one of these every single morning. Wake myself up before my coffee. As you can see, it's not working yet. I'm still tired.
Reaching up to you. Didn't let go. Oh, wish I could undo everything I did. 'Cause I'm reliving it, reliving it. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping. Telling you we're over, but what was I doing? Those words that I said to you then, can't get them out of my head. You keep moving forward, and I keep on looping, I keep on looping, I keep on looping.
I'm on my second one of these already, which is starting this day off good. Like I said with the night routine, my mornings aren't always exactly the same, just as my nights aren't. So lately I've just been trying to intake my water, which has been just a goal for a couple, I feel like months I've been talking about that now. So for my run today, I did a 5.31K with a pace of 4 minutes and 55 seconds, which is actually 1 second faster than yesterday's. I've been picking up my runs again too. I feel like with all of the work that I've had going on and with Youtuber and things, running is one of the things that just like keeps my head on straight when life gets really hectic and really busy. There's just been a lot of work to do and not a lot of free time to kind of marinate my brain, you know? So aside from doing yoga and meditation, running really helps me. I feel like it spikes my endorphins. I get that runner's high. I just feel so like happy on days that I run. Most of my mornings are pretty much the same. Like I like to wake up, I like to read, I like to make my coffee, and like while I wait for the kettle to boil, that's usually when I get my reading done. And then after I do my workout and I shower, from here it can go so many different ways. Sometimes I'll do yoga, sometimes I'll sit down and do some computer work in my robe just because why not? I work from home and again. Other times I'll go straight into making breakfast, and then lately I've been trying to actually just move right into getting ready. Days that I get ready right away, I tend to be more productive. It's almost like when you know that you have your look together, you can say yes to anything that pops up throughout the day, versus sometimes when I kind of prolong getting ready and I lallydag and I end up starting work for the day or whatever when I'm like this. It's interesting, but I've noticed that I'm not as productive on those days because, you know, if I have to run out and grab something or if I need to run an errand, I almost have to prolong doing it because like I'm like, oh, I still need to get ready. Find the best combination of a morning routine that like honestly just eases into the most type of productive day for me. And so for today, I'm thinking that means that I want to get ready first, then make breakfast. But before I do anything, I still want to do some yoga flow. So I'm gonna throw on some bendy gear, unroll my mat, and then we'll carry on with this morning.
Dragons trapped inside a glass. Still takes time to finish last. There's an absence of you, and it stains my heart. It keeps me awake when I'm lost in the dark. Oh, what I do to go back to the start of when we younger and full of dragon blood and tiger love. Possum sprinting on a wire, his feet brimming with the fire. He was always so misunderstood, but you can't change what's in your blood. There's an absence of you, and it stains my heart. It keeps me awake when I'm lost in the dark. Oh, what I do to go back to the start of when we're younger and full of dragon blood and tiger love, dragon blood.
And alas, here we are. So my morning has kind of turned into one of those, I don't even know. Yesterday I had kind of a bad day. I don't want to say it was a bad day. It was like a bad night. Not even a bad night. It was just one of those days that you just don't feel yourself, you know? And I feel like this morning, knowing that I had to film a morning routine, it was originally going to be more of just like what I've been doing every morning to like set myself up to just work for the day. And I even talked about that with you guys already in this video, but honestly, it ended up turning into one of those mornings that, and I started my morning reading Eckhart Tolle. So the section of Brand New Earth that I read today was all about consciousness, and just the way that I was feeling yesterday was lingering a little bit into this morning, but I was just kind of trying to push through it, do my thing, knowing that it's just a wave, it always passes, you know. Emotions, they're never permanent, they're always temporary. And so I was just like, let's just keep going. And as my morning was progressing, like as I was doing yoga and when I was journaling, and then I ended up just like tending to my plants, which I haven't done in some time, and it just kind of turned into this like wellness morning. I feel like this would be a good weekend morning routine, even though technically for me it's not the weekend while I'm filming this, but I'm kind of having a weekend vibe this morning, and then I'm gonna work all afternoon. So I don't know, like take it as you will, but it's just like a morning routine that is kind of setting me back into just recharging and feeling myself. So for that reason, I don't want to end the video here. I kind of want to tie this morning routine into a few more things that I want to do that it's just going to like lift my spirits a little bit. I feel like, first of all, the fact that it's sunny out, like look at how beautiful out it is today. Can we just, wow. But it was like raining when I went for a run, so I got the best of both worlds. You know, I got to be broody while I ran, and then I got to enjoy the sunlight while I did yoga. So then I laid in the sun with Bentley, and now we're cuddling, and so, like I said, I was tending to my plants, and one of the things that I noticed is I had this sunflower that I got gifted to me from my meetup that I never grew, and I want to grow it now that I'm here because it's actually an 8-month period before you can actually plant it. So I'm thinking that, I don't know, why not start now? I want to grow this little sunflower and start it in this morning routine, and I'll keep you guys posted on its growth, and we can name it, and let's just birth a sunflower, should we? Like, what could be more fall than that? And not only that, my parcels came in for my gallery wall. So I was thinking that maybe you guys could help me decorate my gallery wall. We could birth a baby sunflower, and then we could make some pumpkin muffins, because I have also not had breakfast yet. This has been a long morning, but I'm getting really hungry, and I'm thinking that we could make some pumpkin muffins or like a pumpkin loaf or something. That's the mood today. And then once those 3 things are done, I feel like my soul will just be like shiny and complete. So let the wellness morning routine continue. Do you like my sweater? Am I supposed to put you down now that I have to do all these things?
Smoke in the air, she's on the way. Her hair is so fair, back in the day. And I wanna hide, she wanna go miles away. There's blood in the tide that washed on the bay. Echoed songs left out on the road. We're in the outside lane. How did it all change? And foolish brains play the cruelest games. This car crash running further to the unknown. We'll take it slow.
That is it for my refreshing wellness, I guess, morning routine. I definitely feel just like happier and more refreshed after just doing my thing. Planted our little sunflower, if you guys can think of a name for him, by the way. I feel like we should wait until he sprouts to kind of give him a name. Like, we have to let him birth and then we can name him. But in the meantime, I feel like we should start brainstorming some ideas. And also, my gallery wall is not complete. This is not finished. There's one more shelf that I still need to hang up. I just need to go get more screws, and then I'm thinking that I want to add like one more thing to it. I don't know, we'll see. So thank you guys so much for spending my morning with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTuber video. I will write out the muffin recipe down below for you guys, which they are also amazing. I'm waiting for Larissa to come home so I can like stuff her face with pumpkin spice muffins. Oh, aside from that, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Also, if you decide to actually try the muffins, don't only just send me a photo, please let me know what you think. I was quite impressed, which I think I might go make myself a little decaf and dunk another one in. Bye guys.